Hey guys, welcome back to Magic Gimmick Tutorials, and in today's video I'll be teaching you the Snappy color change. So you just saw the performance and here is the tutorial. So what you want to do first is do the double lift like that, where you pick up 2 cards. You can do the double lift any way you want. There's no specific way on how to do it. But anyways, once you've got your 2 cards like this, you want to just place them on top of the deck, and you want to hold the deck in your mechanics grip like this, where your thumb, pointer finger and your 3 other fingers are like this. So yeah, once you've got your mechanics grip down, you just want to practice this movement. So this is essentially the main part of the trick. So it's where you flip like the first card on the side of the deck all the way to the bottom like that. So I'll do it from this view. So you're holding your mechanics grip right here, you kind of strip the first card, oops, like that, and then move it to the bottom. So with your opposite hand, the one that you're not holding the pack of the cards in, you just want to use it as kind of like a guide hand and a cover. So essentially what you're doing is holding it like this with your mechanics grip and your opposite hand on the side where your 3 fingers are here. So once you're doing that, you just want to, strip the first card towards the side of the deck like this. So I'll do it from this side so you can see. This is a new deck, so just gonna have a bit of issue doing this. So like that, that's essentially what you're doing. I'll do it again. So yeah, you also want to grip, make sure you're gripping the edge of the card with your 3 fingers like this. Okay, so it doesn't fall out or go on the floor or anything. So that will obviously ruin the trick. So again, stripping the card towards the side of the deck and then following through. Okay. So once you've got that down, you just want to practice doing it fast. So I'll do another double lift like that. Jack of diamonds and 9 of spades, my bad. And you just want to practice doing it in a fast motion. So if you're struggling a little, just practice this maneuver right here, like this, where you're dragging the card with these 3 fingers. So and then what you want to do is, once you've got that down, cover this side with your right or left hand, and then just do the move like that. Once you've mastered that move, you can start doing it fast. So like that, and then gradually build up in speed. So like that. You just don't want to make it obvious that the cards going to the bottom of the deck. So you can also move your side to side like this, like that, just so your spectator doesn't see anything. Alright, so that's really it. It's not that difficult. You just need to practice this move right here. And yeah, once you got that down and mastered, then you should be able to perform the trick with no worries, you know, easy. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos just like this. Also comment down below if you want us to do more streams. We did one yesterday. If you didn't get to watch the stream, I suggest you go watch it. We were just doing some magic and revising some of our magic books that we did videos on. So yeah, anyways, see you guys later. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.